Hello, this is Andy Dinosaur21, and today I'm going to do a memory upgrade to my PC from 512 meg to 1 gig of RAM. First of all, you'll need to buy RAM, of course, it's not going to work without it. Preferably that you go for DDR2. Doesn't really matter what speed it is, as long as that it is a SORIM, which means it's the little short one, instead of the usual, don't know what the name is for it, but the PC type, where it's like a little bit extra longer, extra length to it. Anyway, and secondly, you'll need one of these little mini screwdrivers, electrical screwdrivers, more electronic screwdriver, even one of them. Okay, so then first of all, and then thirdly, you start to take the screws off. The little spin top is a good idea. Put your finger on it and just turn it. Alright, and you've got to be careful with these screws, because apparently if you lose them, they're a bugger to find, and if you need to get a new one, if you threaded it, they're not easy either. So, go. Try and do it as quickly as I can without breaking anything. Alright, notice once you've removed the door, you've got a 512 RAM already in there. Got a clip here, and a clip there. It's got like a little hinge system on it, so if you push it, it lets the memory out. So I think I'll need to answer this. I can use my knees. Just pause the video a sec, and I'll remove it. But basically push them out. Once you've clipped it out, it'll just pop up. And trying not to touch the actual circuitry, grab it from the sides and then just pull it out. Notice that it does come out on an angle, and that's how you put the new memory in. So I put the 512 there, comes to the gig, pull the gig out, some of this, rip that off. There we go. Bit rough, but I'm eager to get this memory in. Fussy stuff. Doing it single-handedly is difficult, and big difference between the gig and the 512. More of these little processor systems on double, obviously. Same setup. Note that when you do remove it, that this little shorter contact area should come within this small one here, a little notch there, so you can't really get it wrong. So when you push it in at a slight angle, and it should just gradually get in. And then basically all you do is put your finger over the label, which you don't remove or avoid it, and you just push it in, and then the clips will clip back, and there we are, there's your memory installation. Basically all it is, it's not hard. And then obviously put the little door back. It's got these stupid little clips at the side, which I hate, but then again, if you lose the screws, at least it's got some kind of stop and give there. Now, screws, tricky little devils to get back in, especially one-handedly. Okay, same way you loosened it. Don't tighten it too much, I've got sweaty hands from being very delicate. They seem to sweat more. Screw in. There you go. And that's it basically. Memory installation done. Will work. I'm not going to switch it on because the video won't last that long. But it will run quick. Probably do a separate video to show you how fast the gig is compared to the 512. I don't know if it'll make a difference or not, but I will. Alright, thank you.